Hey guys, it's Roasted Turkey, and today I'm going to be doing some more burps. So let's just go from Dad. Let's get some more. Alright, let's keep going. I've definitely still got a lot of air trapped, so there definitely should be some more coming. Oof. Let's keep going. I'll try and get another minute or so. Right, I've got a lot trapped. Just need to wait for the others to come up. I'll try and get one more good one. I think that's going to have to do for today, guys. I've starting to get bellyache. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all of the subscribers recently. It's been pretty good. I'm still going to try and do at least one video a month. I was a bit late this month, but still. Let's try and do one more quickly. Okay, see you in the next video, guys.